Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Good morning to all, and welcome to the IP class. So today we will discuss the term-wise syllabus which is issued by the CBSE. Yeah, so today the CBSE has issued the term-wise the syllabus for each of the course, and today we will discuss the IP subject term-wise syllabus. So let us first go through the attendance. As from 12A, Jasleen is there. 12B, Shriya. From 12D, Vanshika. 12E, no. 12F, Dilbag Singh. And Muskan also. Muskan कौन सी है, ह्यूमैनिटी है और कॉमर्स? ओके, clear. So just have a look at the syllabus. So this is the overall bifurcation. 25 marks to the database and 25 marks to Python, and 10 marks to computer networks and 10 marks to societal impacts. Okay, and the 30 marks are there for the practical. Let's move next. Clear. So this is the term one. Term one consists of the Python and data visualization. Clear. And the other part that is there, that is the societal impact. Clear. तो सीधी सी बात है 25 का एक 25 और 10 का एक कॉम्बिनेशन ये है, और दूसरा 25 and 10 that is database query using SQL and computer networks. इन दोनों का combination जो है that is there in the term 2. Clear. Now you get also a new syllabus also. So I think this syllabus has reduced a quite a bit. जैसे आप ये देखो डाटा विजुअलाइजेशन में हमने कौन कौन से मेथड किए थे. यहाँ पे है लाइन प्लॉट, बार ग्राफ एंड हिस्टोग्राम, and we have gone through that pie chart. Then we have gone through the scatter plot also, and frequency polygon also, and we have discussed a lot of, and you find here the syllabus is also reduced a bit. Also with regard to the pandas also, the Python, you find here data frame series, then you have scalar value, then mathematical operations on series, attributes, and then you have head and tail function, then selection, indexing, and slicing. So this is with regard to the series and data frame. And then with regard to data frame, you have creation of data frames from dictionary, list of dictionaries, then you have text and CSV files, display that also. Then is iteration, how to apply the iteration on a data frame. Then is how to apply operations on rows and columns, like how to add a column, how to delete a column, how to insert a column, and like that. Similarly, with regard to rows also, the operations on both the side, rows as well as columns. Then select and how to select the part of the data frame, how to delete, clear, columns as well as rows. Then is rename and again head and tail function on this data frame. Then is indexing using labels, and then you have last is Boolean indexing. So the syllabus is also, they have reduced the syllabus. And this topic we have to go through, that is the societal impacts. What are the impacts on society with regard to the different IT activity that we are doing, like digital footprint is there, internet, and that is communication etiquettes, data protection, and IPR, intellectual property right, plagiarism, licensing and copyright. Then is free and open source software. Then is about cyber crime and cyber laws, hacking, phishing, then cyberbullying, then overview of Indian IT Act, e-waste, what are the hazards of e-waste, how to manage it, awareness about health concerns related to the uses of technology. So this is a bit more on the theoretical sides, and the first part is more on the practical side. Now, with regard to the practical also, they have bifurcated the 30 marks practical to 15 belongs to the first term and 15 belongs to the second term. ठीक है जी. तो प्रैक्टिकल में क्या है, 8 मार्क्स का जो आपको क्वेश्चन आएगा इन दी प्रैक्टिकल, दैट विल बी बेस्ड ऑन पाइथन पार्टस. ठीक है. जो प्रैक्टिकल फाइल है आपकी, जिसमें मिनिमम ये 15 प्रोग्राम्स होने चाहिए बेस्ड ऑन दी पाइथन सिलेबस. It consists of 3 marks. Project synopsis is of 2 marks. Project synopsis में क्या होता है, I will tell you what is there in project synopsis, and the next is 2 marks is of Viva. This is how the 15 marks practical is constituted. And you see here the practicals are, we have already gone through these practicals. You have to just see all the list of the programs. ठीक है. जो प्रोजेक्ट सिनॉप्सिस है, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट दैट व्हाट इज प्रोजेक्ट सिनॉप्सिस. द सिनॉप्सिस should cover the brief description about the project along with the reasons for selections of the data set. तो आपने अपने प्रोजेक्ट को डिस्क्राइब करना है इसके अंदर, एंड आल्सो द रीजंस फॉर सिलेक्शन ऑफ द डाटा सेट. जो भी डाटा सेट आपने सिलेक्ट किया है वो कैसे आपने सिलेक्ट किया है. द लर्नर शुड राइट the source of the data set, whether created or taken from any reliable source. The learner should write what analysis can be done on the project. तो जो भी आपने प्रोजेक्ट की जो initial stages है, that you have to describe in your project synopsis. ठीक है. कैसे आप उसको how you will analyze the things in your project. So this is just a theoretical sort of a document, and rest coding will be covered in the second phase, that will be the term 2. You can see here the term 2 here. This is the term 2, and 25 marks is of this SQL. Then is 10 marks to computer networks, introduction to computer networks. The syllabus is mentioned here, and this is the syllabus of computer networks. Fine. And then you have practical will be of 7 marks, paper pen, that will be based on SQL. Okay. Then you have the practical file, minimum 12 SQL programs should be there. Clear. It will be of 2 marks. Final project submission. Final project submission means your coding part also will be included here. Synopsis plus the coding part. And the last one is the Viva. This will be of 3 marks. So this is all your practically 15 marks term 2. This is for the term, and the list of the practical is mentioned here, that we will perform these programs in the upcoming classes. Fine. And you can also go through the project work. Yes, Manshika, padhoge beta isko project, about the project work.
Project work. The aim of the class project is to create tangible and useful IT applications. The learner may identify real-world problems by exploring the environment. Example, student can visit shops or business places, communities, or other organizations in their localities and inquire about the functioning of the organization and how data are generated, stored, and managed. The learner can take data stored in CSV or database files and analyze using Python libraries and generate appropriate charts to visualize. If an application is maintaining data offline, then the learner should create a database using MySQL and store the data in tables. Data can be imported in Pandas for analysis and visualization. Learners can use Python libraries of their choices to develop the software for their school or any other social good. Learners should be sensitized to avoid plagiarism and violation of copyright issues while working on projects. Teachers should take necessary measures for this. Any resources, data, images, etc. used in the projects must be suitably referenced. The projects can be done individually or in groups of 2 to 3 students. The project should be started by students at least 6 months before the submission deadline.
Yeah, so more and more emphasis is there on the analysis based project is there, where you analyze the data, and then after analyzing the data you basically try to with the help of different visualization tools you describe the data about. Okay, so yes, so this is about the new updations with regard to your syllabus. किसी का कोई question related to this, please ये download कर लेना सारे. Clear? So I will also upload this copy on your Google Classroom, so that everyone has access over the this newsletters. So earlier we were working on that SQL functions. So let's move to those functions. ठीक है, at least now you have to prepare the synopsis. अगर आप पहले खत्म कर लेते हो project, that's not issue. The CBSE is having no problem if you finish the project now only. ठीक है, आप अपने एग्जाम के अंदर सिर्फ अपना synopsis present कर दो and don't present your code. और जब दूसरा practical होगा, so then you present your code also. Clear? So there is no guideline that you cannot finish your project now. So this is the old syllabus. So yesterday we were discussing the different functions. Clear? And we have discussed first the power function, then round method, then we discussed the mode method, then we discussed the text functions. Under text function we have covered upper, and the synonym for this is the U case. Clear? Both converts the string to the uppercase. Then you have the lower method, clear, and L case. So both convert the string to the lower case. Then we discussed the different combinations of the substring. The synonym for this is on the right hand. You can see here the mid method is there. Both the methods forms the same functioning. Clear that it basically cuts down the part of the string. Clear? So it takes like the first this first syntax takes the string and plus the position from which you are going to have the substring. And then in the second method is there, that is the second syntax is string. Then you have to mention the starting position of the string, and then length, how much string you want to cut down from the substring. So After this, we have focused on the length function also. Clear? So this was about the length. Now let's move to the next is the left method. So these are the different text methods we have. Clear? I have already uploaded the video for XAMPP. अगर किसी ने कोई help चाहिए how to install that XAMPP software on your system, so you can take the help from the video also. Okay, now let's try to do these functions practically. So the very first function is the left, and in the left function, first we look at the parameters of this list method. Left, sorry, not list, left method. So you can see here, the left is the name of the function. Then you have string, and how many characters you want to take from the left side. Clear? So if it is 4 is mentioned, so it is going to take 4 characters from the left side of the string. So what it does, returns the leftmost length characters from the string, or null if any argument is, if null in the case if any argument is null. So let's try this one. Okay, and let's say we take up 5 from the left side. Here, and try it out with -5 also. So -5 doesn't work here. क्योंकि left time means इसकी functionality means ये left से शुरू होगा, it will never go towards the right side. Okay, and if you have to get the string from the right side, use the right method. Clear? So like this. How many characters you want to pick up from the right side? How many characters you want to pick up from the left side? So I think these methods are quite simple. Let's move to the other one. Clear? So next you have the another method is in string. So what is this in string is? That is basically returns the position of the first occurrence of the substring in the substring, the strings. Clear? So you see here the first parameter is in string is जिस string में से हमने अपने string को search करना है. Like this is the string you have and you want to search bar from this. So this is going to tell you the position from which your searching string is starting location. जैसे इसकी starting location क्या है? First starting location also. Clear? So you can see here the bar is coming 2 times. तो जो first bar appear हो रहा है, so its location is 1, 2, 3 and 4. ठीक है? So let's try this. So let's say we have now in string INSTR, and let's say we are searching here. is. Clear? So you see here the starting value of is where it is 7. Clear? 7 ही है, चेक कर लो. Yes, हर्षिता 7 ही है.
Yes, sir.
So अगर मैं कुछ ऐसा clear, I am trying it out, search it, I am searching something which is not present in the string, so then this will give you the result as 0, that it is not available in the string. Okay, 0 means it's not there. And let's say we search here COUN like this, so you will find here the position of COUN in this string is this. Okay, yes Harshita, clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, let's move to the next method. So now next is L trim. As the name suggests, trimming means trimming from the left side, and similarly you have right trim. So L trim returns the string with the leading space characters removed. तो L trim क्या करेगा, ये रिमूव करेगा कि जो स्ट्रिंग के लेफ्ट साइड पे जितनी स्पेसेस, and similarly the right R trim will remove the spaces from the right side of the string. So let's say we start with R trim. क्लियर? सो इसका इफेक्ट आपको नजर भी नहीं आएगा, दैट इज हाउ बेसिकली जो राइट साइड पे जो स्पेसेस है इसको रिमूव करेगा. एंड सिमिलरली यू हैव L trim, it is going to remove the spaces from the left side. Okay, and you know the one more method that you have is trim method. So trim method, what it does, trim method removes these spaces from the both sides. Clear? It removes the spaces not from the left but from the right side also. Okay. Clear? So this is the last is the trim method. So this removes the spaces. तो ये सारे जो हम operations हैं, these operations we can apply on the table also. ठीक है, अगर हम यहाँ पे क्या कर देंगे, कॉलम नेम मेंशन करके, क्लियर, एंड विद द मेंशनिंग द टेबल नेम, और जिस कॉलम के ऊपर आपने अप्लाई करना है, यू कैन अप्लाई दीज फंक्शंस ओवर देयर आल्सो. So the next category of functions that are there with us is the date functions. अगर हमने इसी को, किसी भी मेथड को अगर हमने किसी टेबल के ऊपर अप्लाई करना है, so like see here, you can see here the number of students are there. Like if I make here a select left, and then I say name, and then I say 4. Okay, so you see here only the first 4 characters of the name are appearing in the result. तो ये नहीं है कि ये हमने जो स्ट्रिंग हम अपनी साइड से दे रहे हैं उसी के ऊपर अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. वी कैन अप्लाई दीज ऑपरेशंस ऑन दी टेबल आल्सो. जैसे लेफ्ट किया था, सिमिलरली यू कैन मेक इट right also and so on. Okay, yes, whatever we have covered, कोई इसमें किसी को कोई डाउट है? Any doubt you have? Yes, any question? Yes, Vanshika says it's okay. Clear? So let's, जो कोई लेट आया है क्लास में जिसकी अटेंडेंस नहीं हुई अभी तक, हर्षिता 12E and Jasmine is done, Muskan is done and Ajay Pratap. Clear? So I think that's enough for the day. So we will start with the rest is. Next we have in pipeline is the different date functions that we have. So that will start on Monday. Clear? So I will upload the syllabus today itself in the Google Classroom also. And please have a look closely at your changed term-wise syllabus. Clear? Either from the CBSE website also you can check, or I will upload that. Okay. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.